Most people dream of retiring rich, but let's be honest, saving for retirement feels overwhelming, confusing, and way too easy to put off. But what if I was to tell you that there's a simple rule that can guarantee you $1 million in retirement without extreme sacrifice? And you don't have to be a financial expert or make six figures. The secret? A proven rule that can turn an average salary into a seven-figure nest egg. And let me show you how. Hello, I'm Jonathan, a frugal millionaire and co-founder of Parent Portfolio, where we help people build wealth and improve their personal finances. When it comes to saving for retirement, many of us face similar challenges. We may not be saving enough, or we might be investing in the wrong assets, or we might simply not know where to start. Insufficient savings, lack of knowledge, and procrastination, these are just a few of the common obstacles that stand between us and our retirement goals. But the biggest challenge of all might be our own mindset. We might think that retirement is a long way off and that we can put it off our savings until later. But the reality is, time is on our side when we start early. Compound interest can do wonders for our savings, and a small sacrifice today can add up to significant fortune over time. But despite this, many of us still struggle to prioritize our retirement savings. We might get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life, and retirement savings might take a back seat. So, how can we overcome these challenges and stay on track with our retirement savings? The answer lies in developing good habits and a clear strategy, and that's where our simple rule comes in. So, what's this simple rule? It's simple. Save and invest at least 15% of your income. Financial experts, including Fidelity, recommend saving 15% of your pre-tax income for retirement. This percentage is not random. It's designed to set you up for financial security, even if you start later than you should. 15% is the sweet spot. It's enough to build substantial wealth over time without requiring extreme sacrifice. Let's put this into perspective. If you make $60,000 a year and save 15%, that's $9,000 annually. And if you invest that in an account earning an average return of 8% per year, in 30 years, you'll have over $1.1 million. But if you wait just 10 years to start, you'd end up with less than $500,000. The difference isn't just in how much you save, it's in how long your money has time to grow. The secret to this strategy is compound interest. Your money earns interest, then the interest earns interest. And over time, your wealth starts to grow like a snowball. The key is consistency. The earlier you start, the easier it is. But even if you start late, the rule still works because it forces you to build your financial future with intention. To show you the power of starting early, let's compare two people. Emily starts investing 15% of her $50,000 salary at age 25. By the time she's 65, she has over $2.2 million. Jake, on the other hand, waits until he's 40 to start investing the same percentage. Even though he saves for 25 years, he only ends up with $800,000. That's a massive difference, and all comes down to time. Now that you understand the rule, how do you actually apply it? First, make savings automatic. Set up your automatic contributions to your 401k or IRA so you don't even think about it. If your employer offers a 401k match, take full advantage of it. That's free money that boosts your retirement savings instantly. If you don't have access to a 401k, open a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA. Investing in low-cost index funds is one of the best ways to grow your money steadily over time. These funds consistently outperform most actively managed funds and require little maintenance. If you want to diversify, consider other income streams like real estate or dividend stocks. The key is to make sure your money is working for you. If you're in debt, you might wondering how you can start saving 15% while you're still paying off your loans. The answer is simple. Start with whatever you can. Even if you begin with just 5%, the goal is to gradually increase it as you pay off debt and earn more. What matters is that you develop the habit now, so when you do have more money, you already know how to put it into practice and make it work. So, to retire rich, follow this one simple rule. Save and invest at least 15% of your income consistently. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep and grow over time. The earlier you start, the easier it gets. And even if you're starting late, this strategy can still transform your financial future. So, what's your retirement strategy? Do you have a plan in place to achieve financial freedom in retirement? Leave your comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our updates. Once again, thank you for your time, thank you for your support, and have yourself a great day. Bye.